In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the print area in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to tell Excel exactly which cells to print, so you avoid extra pages, blank columns, and anything you don't want on paper. First, start by highlighting the part you want to print. Click and drag to select the exact range of cells that should appear on the page. Take a moment here to make sure your selection includes important context, like headers, labels, and totals, not just the raw numbers. If your data has notes, charts, or images that need to be included, make sure they sit inside the selection as well. It's best to select one continuous block of cells. Excel's print area works cleanly when everything you need is in a single rectangle. If you're working with a formatted table or a report, include the full width of the columns you want to keep together so column headings don't get cut off. With your cells selected, go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This tab contains everything related to how your sheet looks on paper, things like margins, orientation, scaling, and of course, the print area. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so the Page Layout tab is visible, then click it to switch from your current tab. In the Page Layout tab, find the Print Area control in the Page Setup group. It's a small drop-down that manages which part of the sheet Excel treats as printable. Click Print Area to open the menu. Now choose Set Print Area. That's it. Excel locks in your current selection as the official print zone for this worksheet. From now on, when you print this sheet, only the cells you selected will be sent to the printer. This setting is saved with the workbook and applies only to the active worksheet, so other sheets won't be affected. A couple of useful notes as you work. If you later add rows or columns that should also print, adjust your selection and repeat these steps to update the print area. If you accidentally included too much, simply reselect the correct range and set the print area again to replace it. Once your area is set, you can still use other page layout options, like orientation, margins, and scaling, to make the selection fit better on the page without changing what gets printed. And that's the process. Highlight what you need, go to Page Layout, open Print Area, and choose Set Print Area. You now have precise control over what prints from your worksheet.